Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making our very own cardboard desk organizer. This will be a big help, especially keeping your desk or work area very neat and tidy. To make this is inexpensive because all the stuff that you will need can be found in your home. For this activity, you will need a medium-sized cardboard box, a marker, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun or double-sided tape, and materials to decorate. Firstly, we will be cutting off the shapes that will be used to make the desk organizer. Here are the measurements of the shapes that you will need and the amount of each. Once we cut all the shapes that we need, we are going to begin wrapping or decorating them before we stick everything together. Next, we are going to begin sticking the shapes together. So we are going to have shape A flat on the table, and with our hot glue gun or tape, stick both of shape B on the either side of shape A. Once done properly, those will be the walls of the organizer. Next, we'll be sticking shape C on the back of the structure, as this will help hold it upright. Once that is done, we can stick shape D to the front of the cover, and this will make sure none of your items that you have in the organizer fall or roll out. Lastly, for shape E and F, what you can do is apply glue to the three sides of each shape and slide them into the organizer. Make sure that they are equally apart from each other so there will be enough space to hold things. Once we have done that, you can add final touches to your organizer. And there you have it, your very own cardboard desk organizer that you can use at home or give it to your parents to use for work. We hope you had fun creating this project with us today. Be sure to send us pictures and videos, as we would love to see how you reuse old cardboard boxes to make new things. Bye!